What is up, guys? Micah Rice here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my Brazilian house and neighborhood. Okay guys, so this is my house in the front, this green one, and now I'm going to give the tour. So this right here is like where we park the cars, obviously, like the front porch. Almost no Brazilian houses have garages. So yeah, this right here is just like an outside table. This is generally like where, I don't know, the family get-togethers are. There's the grill. And this is also where my parents do English lessons outside. And now we're gonna go in. Okay, so this is my living room, and this is generally what like all the other Brazilian houses have in their living rooms. And this is just like a get-together place. This is also generally where families eat dinner. We generally eat in the living room. They don't use the kitchen tables or the dining rooms. Yeah, so let's go see the kitchen. This is another place where my family will do either English lessons or we'll sit to have dinner. So here is the kitchen. As you guys can see, it's not really much different from the United States. Obviously, stove, microwave, sink, whatever. You know, even like the fridge, yeah. So yeah. We also have, we eat here. We eat all over the house. But yeah, and then back here, if you guys want to see, is just like some little porch useless area where we just use as like storage, washer and dryer. Yeah. Also right here, they do the dishes all by hand. We don't like, they don't have like dishwashers here, so yeah. So let's look at the other side. Again, there wasn't much. Here's like this big freezer that our whole neighborhood uses, and I have no idea why we have it here at my house. And then this is just like another like side porch that you can use as storage or whatever. Also, they absolutely do not have dryers here, so everything is hung on a clothesline to be dried. Roses from Mother's Day, which was yesterday. Okay, so now what a lot of people are curious about is my room. Woo, this is my room. It was a little bit more like decorated when I first arrived here. Like there was a mirror there, there was some pictures on the wall and stuff. But as I'm getting ready to go, I had to start taking some of that stuff down and packing it. I got a TV here, which is all cool. I actually have a couch in my room, like a little mini sofa, which is pretty sick. And then I just have this bed. This window doesn't lead to anything special. It just leads out to that little side porch like I just showed you guys. And yeah, my room is kind of like a mess right now because I'm currently just like throwing clothes around and stuff around and getting ready to go. Ooh, my family. Ooh, the other exchange student. Yeah, here's like the downstairs bathroom, I guess. Yeah. Woo, pretty interesting. Yeah, whatever. All right, let's go upstairs now. Woo! Here's a cool little window where like you can kind of see like the roof and the rest of the neighborhood. Almost all the Brazilian houses too have this type of roofing. I've heard that it's just like good, especially in places with a lot of sun. Woo, Gee! Yeah, mano. So this is my little brother's room. Yeah, it's basically got the same layout as the other rooms. It's crazy that he's got the mini fridge. He doesn't even use it, but yeah. Here is also another side of the roof, like the other window, so that you can see the rest of the neighborhood, which I'll show in a little bit. And yeah. Right here is just like another bathroom, which the shower can't be used, but this stuff can. And then the final room would be my parents' room. And this is where, I would guess you would say, the master bedroom. And they just kind of have the same layout as well. Out here they have like a mini, can I get out here? Yes, I can. This is like the back porch. And you can kind of get out here and like see the back. This is not our backyard. Brazilian houses, actually no one has backyards. You don't have any property, you just like get the house. And so this is just like extra space. And that over there is actually another neighborhood. That's not part of my neighborhood. Over there you can see like a soccer field, which is kind of cool. They have a ton of those, especially around here, here in Brazil. Woo! I mean, that's basically it. So that was the house tour. And now I'm going to show you guys the rest of my neighborhood. Okay, so if you guys thought that my house was cool, you guys are going to love the neighborhood. So the first thing that you see when you enter is a gate. That's because all of the Brazilian condominiums and the neighborhoods in general have gates and security waiting there to open and close the door. Oh, alô, Amanda. Tô fazendo tour do bairro. Amanda! So my neighborhood is freaking amazingly colored, and that's one thing I love about it. And so yeah, like all the houses have different colors. My house is green, and this like it's really awesome. Key. And for me, coming from New York, like this is definitely different. So here's my house. There is my cousin's house, this blue house right here. And now we're gonna go see the pool. All right, guys, so we have arrived at the pool. This is the pool. This is just like where like all the kids and grown-ups of our neighborhood hang out. When you have parties, they set up the tables over there. And yeah, I mean, this is one of like the coolest things. Just like Brazilian houses too. Just like individual houses will have pools too, but in our neighborhood, we don't have space at the houses to own our pools, so we just have like a big pool here where everyone kind of gathers. And also, my house when I said my house had that freezer should be right here next to that fridge. And for some reason, we had it because we have a lot of parties at my house. And like this whole neighborhood is like surrounded by a fence with barbed wire and security. Security is actually really big in Brazil and really tight too. Yeah. There's some houses up there. These are built more kind of like apartments, and I'm pretty sure that they're cheaper as well. But yeah, guys, so that was my neighborhood tour. I hope you guys enjoyed and were able to see a little bit more on how, you know, Brazilian houses are and how Brazilian neighborhoods are. And yeah, until the next video, peace.